Continuing to build our communication result dictionary, adding the consciousness factor, stability factor, calculated probability, and empty response data. Then we check here if the communication was successful, and if so, we start generating realistic responses based on the message type. For mathematical communication, we're building response data with message confirmation, entity math level, and shared concepts. But when we get to this line, we encounter an advanced F-string technique. New mathematical insight, F, open quote, 4D entity revealed, curly brace, random.choice, open parentheses, open bracket, single quote, hypersphere volume formula, close single quote, comma, open quote, tesseract unfolding pattern, close single quote, comma, and then again, 4D Pythagorean theorem. Then we close out our bracket, our parentheses, and our curly brace, and a final string double quote. So we're demonstrating function calls within F-string expressions, using random choice directly inside F-strings for varied text generation, enabling you to generate diverse, unpredictable text content that adds realism and variety to your programs. So the F-string contains that starts with the F as they all do, and then the double quote opening 4D entity revealed. Then you've got everything that's in your curly brace, the random choice. So inside the curly braces, random choice executes with a list of mathematical concepts. Each time this runs, random choice selects a different insight. Sometimes 4D entity revealed hypersphere volume formula. Sometimes 4D entity revealed tesseract unfolding patterns, etc. and so on. This creates dynamic content creation with embedded randomness instead of static text. Your F-strings can execute complex expressions, including function calls that generate varied, realistic content. So we're mirroring here how real interdimensional entities might share different knowledge on each contact, just like how actual scientists might reveal different discoveries in each conversation.